Hi, I'm Jason from GlowShift Gauges, and we get a lot of questions about what comes included in the package when you purchase one of our diesel gauge packages. So today, I'm going to walk you through what comes included in our 7-color series diesel gauge set for the 99 to 07 Ford Super Duty Powerstroke. In this particular package, you're going to get a 60 PSI Boost Gauge, a 2400 degree EGT gauge, and a transmission temperature gauge, all featuring a black face with a tinted lens. So right away when you open the packaging, you'll see a 52mm analog 60 PSI Boost Gauge with a color change button on the front, 2-foot of power wire on the back, and a 1/8 MPT pressure fitting. A 52mm analog 2400 degree exhaust gas temperature gauge with a color change button on the front, and a 52mm analog transmission temperature gauge with a color change button on the front. Also included in the package, a 99 to 07 Ford Super Duty Powerstroke installation guide, a 9-foot nylon boost line with compression fittings, a 3-foot exhaust temperature probe with a waterproof connector, a 6-foot exhaust temperature probe harness with a waterproof connector, a 3-foot power harness for your exhaust temperature gauge, a 3-foot power harness for your transmission temperature gauge, a boost line T-fitting, a transmission temperature sensor with bullet-style connectors, mounting brackets and hardware, pillar mounting hardware, a color-matched triple pillar gauge pod, a 3-gauge wiring kit with sensor and power wires, and gauge visors for sun glare. All of our products come with lifetime technical support, so if you have any questions, feel free to visit our website or message us on any of our social media channels.